Welcome to the NET24 event once again, Osama, but please introduce yourself and your institution and the country you're from.
So, thank you, Natalia, for the opportunity. I am Osama Mohammed. I am the director and co-founder of Aegis, and I am the co-owner and co-founder of UCAM Spanish Institute in Alexandria, Egypt.
Perfect. I wanted to ask about the unique service that is within your student recruitment agency that is supporting the students.
I think one of the unique services that we have is we treat our staff as a family, and that reflects the relation between us and our clients. So I think it's an end-to-end service that we always give to our students. One of the things that we always try to understand is the needs versus their expectations. So lately we started to inspect and implement more of career coaching when we consult students, plus the support that we give to our student parents, because they mainly are the decision makers, and they're always eager to see their kids and children prosper and develop.
Of course. What about the challenges here locally in Egypt also for international education?
So one of the obstacles that we see at the moment is the devaluation of the currency versus foreign reserve currencies. So students are having not an easy time collecting the tuition and fees of universities, and it's not as easy as it was before to transfer the tuition, whether it's partially or in complete, to international universities. And that, of course, reflects some of the decisions at some major embassies, because they know that the situation with the economy is not the best. So this is the main obstacle at the moment.
Okay. Thank you for the answers, and thank you for joining the NET24 event. To you, Osama, and to you, Rana, thank you for Aegis for coming here. We hope you liked it, and NET24 service as well.
Thank you so much, Natalia.
Thank you.